Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Today, as we gather here, we commemorate the first anniversary of an event that reshaped Pakistan's position, perception, and participation in the evolving global political landscape. Maarka, the Battle of Truth, as its name signifies, not only demonstrated Pakistan's courage and resilience as a nation united in defense of its homeland, but also reminded the world of Pakistan's enduring military strength, geostrategic relevance, and geopolitical importance. Last year, our nation and its brave armed forces were put to a test by circumstances we never sought. Yet, by the grace of Almighty Allah, Pakistan successfully thwarted the malicious designs of those who, under the pretext of Pahalgam false flag operation, and in the name of counter-terrorism, launched cowardly attacks under the cover of darkness against civilian and military sites. The nation stood together as Bunyan Marsoos, a solid wall of strength, with every segment of society playing its rightful role. Our armed forces, diplomats, civilian leadership, institutions, and ordinary citizens together safeguarded both the physical frontiers and ideological sovereignty of Pakistan. India's actions did not stop at military aggression. Following the international embarrassment that resulted from Pakistan's firm response, unilateral attempts were made to place the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance, threatening the livelihood of millions and undermining established international commitments. Likewise, the ongoing suppression and grave human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir remain visible to the conscience of the world. Pakistan reiterates that lasting peace in South Asia cannot be achieved without a just and peaceful resolution of Jammu and Kashmir dispute in accordance with the aspirations of Kashmiri people and relevant United Nations Security Council resolutions. Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen, has remained a victim of the world's deadliest forms of terrorism for more than 3 decades now. In fact, if I count it even more than 4 decades. We have made immense sacrifices in blood and treasure to defeat the forces of extremism. While these enemies of peace continue attempts to regroup and destabilize the region, Pakistan remains steadfast in its resolve to eliminate terrorism in all its manifestations. As we mark this final significant chapter in our national journey, let it serve as a reminder of our enduring commitment to serve, defend, and uplift our beloved homeland with all the strength we possess individually and collectively. और इस मौके में मैं ये भी रिमाइंड कराना चाहूँगी कि अभी कायद आज़म का जिक्र हुआ तो उनकी 150 सालगिरह है इस साल, तो उनके जो हमें उन्होंने जो फरमान दिए, जो मुल्क को आगे चलाने के लिए जो उनकी बुनियादी उन्होंने अपनी तकरीरों में, अपनी मुख्तलिफ मकाम में, किताबों में जो कुछ कहा है, हमें चाहिए कि हम उसको एक दफ़ा दोबारा उसकी रूहगर्दानी करें, उसको देखें हम कहाँ तक लेके जा सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक 150 साल एक ऐसा मौका है जिसपे हमें चाहिए कि हम अपने आप से भी वादा करें, एज अ कौम भी, एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एज अ कौम, और इवन एज अ मेंबर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी. आइए हम ये अहद करें कि हम हमेशा अपनी इनफरादी और इज्तिमाई सलाहियतों को बरूए कार लाते हुए वतन अजीज की खिदमत करने में कोई कसर नहीं उठा रखेंगे और मुस्तकबिल में भी इसी इत्तेहाद, ईमान और तंजीम के असूलों पर अमल पैरा होकर पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन करेंगे. As very wisely said, पाकिस्तान हमेशा जिंदाबाद. Thank you.